Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss income tax. The income tax rates in a certain year are as shown below. So we have monthly income in Kenya shillings. Then we have the tax rates in each shilling as a percentage. Therefore, the brackets are as shown. Then the tax rates are also as shown in the table. Mwenda pays 8,234 Kenya shillings as payee per month. He has a monthly house allowance of 10,500 Kenya shillings and is entitled to a personal relief of 1,162 Kenya shillings per month. Determine his gross tax. We should know that payee is usually obtained by gross tax minus what we call the tax relief. And in this case, we are having the payee and we don't have the gross tax, we have the relief. Therefore, the payee is 8,234. This is being equal to gross tax minus a relief of 1,162. Therefore, gross tax is going to be equal to, when we add the relief to the payee, therefore we will need 8,234 plus 1,162. This is going to give us 93.96. 9,396 Kenya shillings. We are also calculating his monthly taxable income. Therefore, we're going to tax a certain unknown amount until the gross tax is 93.96. So from the first bracket, which is 10,164, this one at the rate of 10% is going to give us a tax of 1,016.4 Kenya shillings. In the next bracket, we're going to have 19,740 minus 10,164. This is going to give us 95.76 at the rate of 15%. So at the rate of 15%, we're going to obtain 1436.40. And remember now, when we add all this, we are not getting 93.96. So we continue taxing until the gross tax is equivalent to this. So in the next bracket, we're going to have 29,316 minus 19,740. This is giving us 95.76 at the rate of 20%. This is going to be 1915.20. Again, when we add up, we have not arrived at 93.96. So we continue taxing. This is around 4,000 at most. So we can continue with the fourth bracket. That will have 38,892 minus 29,316. This is 95.76. 95.76. This is 95. At the rate of 25%, this is going to give us 23.94. 23.94 Kenya shillings. Therefore, these are the taxes up to the fourth brackets. That means there is an amount from the last bracket such that when all the taxes are added, now we're going to get 93.96, the total tax now, or the gross tax. That means we should find the missing amount so that when all the taxes are added, we get 93.96. So I'm going to get 93.96 and I subtract 1016.4, 1436.4, 1915.2, and also 2394. When I subtract all that, I'm getting a tax of 2634. Therefore, the missing tax from the 50 brackets should be 2634. Now, when we add up now, we can see we are getting 9396. So this was the missing tax. This means there is an amount which should be taxed at the rate of 30% to give us this tax. And we can get that amount. If we let it to be X, then at 30%, it should give us 2634. Therefore, to remain with X, then we multiply by 100 over 30. So times 100 out of 30, this gives us 8780. 8780. That means now the total monthly taxable income is going to be, when we add all this, 10164 plus 9576 times 3 plus 8780. 8780, yes, and we wind up. So this is going to be 10164 plus 3 multiplied by 9576 plus 8780. This is 47,672 Kenya shillings. So that is the total taxable income. And finally, we are getting is basic salary. We should know that taxable income is usually given by basic salary plus allowances. This means a taxable income of 47,672 is equivalent to a non-basic salary plus allowances, and in this case I can see only a house allowance of 10,500. So to remain with basic salary, then we will need to subtract 10,500 from that value, and this will give us 37,172 Kenya shillings as the basic salary. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.